Okay, yeah, let's play some Max Dirt Bike. Okay, let's go. Load, please. Here we go. Okay. Max Games. Really? That guy's like unbelievable. This copy, blah blah blah. Enter level code. Oh, did you see that? Oh, yeah. That was easy. No. This is frustrating. This is so annoying. Oh, I made that. This game. Yes, I can make it. Yes. Only took me a minute and 24 seconds. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh, did you see that? Oh, whoa! Oh, that was unfunny. Okay, here we go, here we go. Nope. This time's charm. Oh no. Okay. Not so well working. Yeah, yes, yes. Look at this, look at this. Oh, that was nasty. Oh, what are you treat? No. Here we go, we got it. What? I was past it. Wee. Yes. Okay, here we go. This game is so easy. It's actually ridiculous. It's just so easy. So easy. Just so damn easy. But, okay, here we go, here we go, here we go. Yes. What? Rubbish. I didn't crash. Lying to you. Don't believe what it said. Go. Seem to be stuck. I'm just gonna kill myself. Wait. Yeah. Okay. Go super speed, super speed. Yes, yeah. Oh. This game is frustrating me. Because I'm just too good at it. No. The game's so damn easy. I think they put on like a hard difficulty. It's like constantly on easy. Yeah. Now, watch how easy it is. You just go down there really slowly and crash. I'm trying, guys, okay? Please make me win. It's like can go for montage clips. I'm dying like 100 times. No. Yes, see. Oh. Okay, that's it, guys. I'm sick of this game and it's frustrating me. And I'm gonna stop playing it unless I get this. Yeah, I didn't get that. Okay. See you later, guys. This is a random video. Don't know why I did it. Never played this game before. Might have. Bye.